So this is the reason right here why I haven't really been posting anything with my truck lately. I bought a Mustang. It's the V6. It's base everything. Cloth seats, 4-inch display. I got it with 104,000 miles on it. Already almost put about 1,000 on it. And it's not a bad car. I mean, for a V6, this thing is, it's pretty quick. Now I've beat the tuned GTIs. I've beat a couple of Infinities, but this thing isn't quick by any means. My truck's faster. 0 to 60 times, I'm about 2 seconds faster in my truck. 0 to 100, that's where it kind of gets close, just because the max speed of the truck is about 120. This tops out at 160, and that's 120 in my truck. That's pushing it. It's really not bad. I love the interior. It's pretty much leather everything. I got a little bit of some fake carbon fiber on the dash. It looks pretty cool. But I haven't done anything to it yet. It's a 2016 Mustang. The only thing that I've done to it so far is I put a K&N drop-in filter in it. I'm already looking at exhausts, but my neighbor's got a 5.0, and it doesn't sound the best. I mean, it sounds good. It's a 5.0, but certain exhaust setups makes it really, really raspy, and it almost sounds bad. So I'm trying to get together some good exhaust packages, trying to figure out the exact sound that I want for this thing, make it sound cool. And then I'm going to see what I can do inside of the warranty that I have. I don't want to put on some shit, blow up the engine, and then have it void the warranty. So I'm going to be working with some dealerships, because what I have seen is at some dealerships, they have a tuner that you can put on that'll kind of get you, I think it's like 40 or 50 horsepower, and it's all inside of the warranty. So the tunes come straight from them. So you can kind of preserve that warranty. But other than that, I mean, as soon as I get out of the warranty, bolt-ons, baby. The plan is I want to get like a really nice Pro charger and throw that on, or I mean, I want to turbo it. I want to turbo everything. But yeah, so this is what we got. I'm gonna be doing some more work with the transmission. I've been looking at it, and right now I've got 4 neutrals. I do have reverse, but I need to figure out what exactly happened. I think it's because I didn't replace the pump because of the drain back valve for the torque converter, and I think it just smoked the transmission again. So I've been really procrastinating. It's been about a month since the truck's been down, and I really haven't felt like pulling apart that transmission again after the weeks and weeks of work I've put into it, taking it out, putting it back in, taking it out, So that's going to be coming up in the next couple weeks. I'm going to be pulling apart the transmission and hopefully have the parts. And I got to go to a machine shop and get a couple of pieces machined because I'm adding clutches. But after that, hopefully the truck will be running and driving again. I'm really looking forward to getting it running because my truck is faster than this car. And this car doesn't have a turbo, and I love the turbo sound. So stay tuned. Really looking forward to getting everything back together in my truck. And then I might even upgrade the injectors. I need to do some more engine work, but I want to go bigger injectors, bigger turbo. So maybe in the winter time that might be happening, but we'll see. But yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed this little update, and stay safe out there.